Well, it's Huawei's newest flagship smartwatch, designed to strike the perfect balance between style, functionality, and performance. The company has truly stepped up its game with the Watch GT5, putting a major emphasis on health tracking, smart features, and long-lasting battery life. With so many smartwatches on the market, especially from Apple and Samsung, Huawei is certainly bringing some serious competition to the table. But what makes this watch stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down and take a closer look at the design, features, performance, and what makes the Huawei Watch GT5 a game changer for the smartwatch industry. First impressions are important, and the Huawei Watch GT5 definitely nails it in the design department. It's sleek, modern, and most importantly, versatile. The Huawei Watch GT5 comes in two sizes, the 46mm and the 41mm, making it easy for people with different wrist sizes and style preferences to find a perfect fit. 46mm version. This version is bold and commanding, with a stainless steel case that gives it a rugged yet elegant look. The size is perfect for those who prefer a chunkier, more noticeable watch. The large, vibrant AMOLED display makes it visually striking and perfect for people who like their smartwatches to stand out. 41mm version. On the other hand, the 41mm version offers a sleeker, more minimalistic design. It's perfect for those who want something a little less bulky, but still want the same impressive features. This model still boasts an AMOLED display, but the smaller form factor gives it a more subtle appearance. Both versions feature a stunning AMOLED display that offers vibrant, crisp visuals. The larger model sports a 1.43-inch display, while the smaller version features a 1.32-inch display. These screens provide bright colors and deep blacks, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, both models are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, which helps ensure durability, meaning you don't have to worry about scratches or damage during your daily routine. Now, one feature that truly shines is the customizable watch faces. Huawei has included an extensive library of watch faces, allowing you to personalize your smartwatch according to your style. Whether you prefer a classic analog look or more futuristic digital interface, you'll find plenty of options to suit your personality. Plus, it's incredibly easy to switch between faces, giving you a new look every day if you like. Let's talk about the health and fitness capabilities. Huawei has integrated their advanced TrueScene 5.0 Plus heart rate monitoring technology into the Watch GT5, and let me tell you, it's incredibly accurate. Whether you're resting, running, cycling, or working out intensely, the heart rate monitor gives you real-time data on your heart rate, which is essential for staying on track with your fitness goals. But it doesn't end there. The Huawei Watch GT5 also features 24/7 SpO2 monitoring. This means you can keep track of your blood oxygen levels throughout the day. Whether you're exercising or relaxing, knowing your SpO2 levels can provide valuable insight into your overall health and fitness. For those with health conditions or who just want to keep an eye on their body, this feature is a game changer. One of the more impressive features of the Huawei Watch GT5 is its sleep tracking capabilities. This smartwatch goes beyond basic sleep tracking and provides you with detailed insights into your sleep stages, including light, deep, and REM sleep. What's more, it gives you personalized recommendations on how to improve your sleep quality. If you're someone who struggles to get a good night's rest, this can be an incredibly helpful tool. For fitness enthusiasts, the Watch GT5 comes with over 100 workout modes to choose from. Whether you're into running, cycling, swimming, hiking, or yoga, this watch has got you covered. The watch tracks various fitness metrics, helping you stay on top of your progress. And then there's the AI Running Coach, a standout feature for anyone who is into running. This tool tailors personalized training plans based on your fitness level and goals. If you're training for a marathon or simply looking to improve your running technique, having a virtual coach on your wrist is incredibly convenient. It gives you guidance and encouragement every step of the way. Huawei Watch GT5 is more than just a fitness companion. This smartwatch is all about keeping you connected while maintaining its sleek form. You'll receive notifications for calls, messages, and apps directly on your wrist. You can even take calls directly from the watch thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker. Whether you're in a meeting, working out, or out for a walk, it's super convenient to receive and take calls without needing to pull out your phone. Another handy feature is NFC support, which enables you to make contactless payments. No more fumbling for your wallet when you're grabbing your morning coffee or picking up groceries. Simply tap your watch on a payment terminal and you're good to go. For Android users, the Huawei Watch GT5 offers access to Huawei's app gallery, which allows you to download and install apps directly onto the watch. This is a great addition for those who want to expand the capabilities of their smartwatch beyond its built-in features. If you're someone who loves listening to music while working out, the Huawei Watch GT5 has built-in storage for your favorite songs. And leave your phone behind while you hit the gym, go for a run, or enjoy your outdoor activities without the added bulk of your phone. Battery life is a key area where the Huawei Watch GT5 truly shines. It's no secret that one of the most frustrating things about owning a smartwatch is constantly charging it. With the Watch GT5, however, Huawei has redefined what long battery life looks like. The 46mm model, this version can last up to 14 days on a single charge with typical usage. Even with heavy use, including fitness tracking, notifications, and regular app use, you're looking at around 8 days of battery life. This is significantly better than most other smartwatches, which usually require daily charging. The 41mm model offers a slightly shorter battery life, lasting up to 7 days on a full charge, but still, considering the power-packed features this smartwatch offers, that's pretty impressive. And if you do run low on battery, don't worry. Huawei's fast charging technology allows you to get a full day's worth of battery in just 5 minutes of charging. That means if you're in a rush, you can top off your watch while you get ready, ensuring it's fully powered when you leave the house. The Huawei Watch GT5 runs on Harmony OS 4.0, Huawei's custom operating system. This OS is known for being incredibly fast, responsive, and user-friendly. Navigating through the watch's menus and apps feels smooth and intuitive. Whether you're swiping through notifications or just adjusting settings, everything works seamlessly. What's more, Harmony OS makes it easy for the Watch GT5 to pair with Huawei smartphones and is also compatible with both Android and iOS devices. This means no matter what phone you're using, you can still enjoy the full range of features on the Huawei Watch GT5. For those who live an active lifestyle, durability is an important factor when choosing a smartwatch. Fortunately, the Huawei Watch GT5 is built to withstand the rigors of everyday life and beyond. With a 5 ATM water-resistant rating, this watch can handle depths of up to 50 meters. Whether you're swimming, showering, or just caught in the rain, you don't have to worry about water damage. It's a perfect companion for those who enjoy outdoor activities, especially water-based ones. The 46mm version also comes with military-grade durability, making it resistant to extreme temperatures, shocks, and even scratches. If you're someone who's always on the go or works in harsh conditions, this watch can keep up with your lifestyle. Now let's talk about the price. The Huawei Watch GT is positioned as a premium smartwatch, but its price point is incredibly competitive. The 46mm version is priced at $249. This model offers incredible value given the features, build quality, and long battery life it offers. The 41mm version is priced at $199. It's a more affordable option that still delivers impressive performance and style. Considering the features and performance, the Huawei Watch GT5 is priced well compared to other high-end smartwatches like the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch series. Plus, it's available in various color options including black, silver, and gold. With a range of strap materials like leather, fluoroelastomer, and stainless steel, you can pick the one that best fits your style. Overall, the Huawei Watch GT5 is an impressive smartwatch that stands out for its combination of style, functionality, and long battery life. Whether you're an athlete looking for accurate fitness tracking or someone who simply wants a high-quality smartwatch that offers solid performance, the Huawei Watch GT5 has something to offer. With its advanced health monitoring features, customizable design, and smart functionalities, this watch is a top contender in the smartwatch market. So if you're looking for a device that balances fitness and everyday use, I'd say the Huawei Watch GT5 is definitely worth considering.